In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert watermarks on specific pages in Microsoft Word. If you've ever been unsure about how to do this, don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring your document looks exactly how you want it to. Start by opening your Microsoft Word document. You'll initially need to set up your document by dividing it into sections, which will allow us to apply the watermark only to specific pages rather than the whole document. First, direct your attention to the page immediately before the one where you want your watermark to begin. You'll need to place your cursor at the very end of the text on that page. Once your cursor is set, go to the Layout tab located on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see the Breaks option. Click on it, and under Section Breaks, choose Next Page. This action divides your document, initiating Section 2, which starts on the following page. Once you've completed this, move to the page right after the one where you want the watermark to end. Again, place your cursor at the very end of the text on this page. Return to the Layout tab, click Breaks, and just as before, under Section Breaks, select Next Page. This creates Section 3, effectively framing the pages between where you want your watermark applied. Next, you'll need to adjust some settings to ensure your watermark only appears in Section 2. Double-click in the header area of the first page of Section 2. Doing this will open up the Header and Footer tab. Focus your attention on the navigation group, where you'll find a button labeled Link to Previous. Click this button to disable it. This step is crucial as it allows you to create a unique header for Section 2 without it being linked to the previous section. Now, to ensure our watermark doesn't carry beyond Section 2, click the Next Section button to advance to the header of the first page in Section 3. Just as before, locate the Link to Previous button and click it to turn it off, effectively isolating Section 3 as well. With these preparations done, let's add the watermark to our specific section. Make sure your cursor is still in the header-footer area of Section 2. Navigate to the Main Design tab. Note, this is not the Header and Footer Design tab, but the Main Design tab on the ribbon. Here you'll find the watermark option. Click on it and you can either select a pre-made watermark or choose Custom Watermark if you wish to create a personalized text or picture watermark. Once you've made your choice, click OK. Congratulations, you've just successfully added a watermark to specific pages in your Microsoft Word document, creating a professional-looking document tailored precisely to your needs.